You look very lovely today. You look very lovely today. Don't drop the plates. Don't drop the plates. I feed my pets 3 times a day. I feed my pets 3 times a day. Did he come with you? Did he come with you? What's the story? What's the story? You have a messy room. You have a messy room. It's your turn to start the game. It's your turn to start the game. Can I have another cup of coffee? Can I have another cup of coffee? You should park in parking lots. You should park in parking lots. He came back home earlier than usual. He came back home earlier than usual. When does it start? When does it start? I don't like your shirt. I don't like your shirt. Have you finished doing the project? Have you finished doing the project? Something's wrong with my laptop. Something's wrong with my laptop. When can I visit you? When can I visit you? Can you speak loudly? Can you speak loudly? Are you here on business? Are you here on business? I like playing tennis in our garden. I like playing tennis in our garden. My money has gone. My money has gone. I'm not in the office now. I'm not in the office now. Can I have an appointment for tomorrow? Can I have an appointment for tomorrow? What school do you go to? What school do you go to? What are you doing tonight? What are you doing tonight? How do you like the movie? How do you like the movie? What is your favorite city in this country? What is your favorite city in this country? I like learning new languages. I like learning new languages. Can you please sign here? Can you please sign here?